It's been extremely frustrating these past few days, seeing very swift actions coming from local and even state governments, but the federal government in the area of immigration being very slow to take any action.
Phoenix immigration attorney Ray Ibarra Maldonado expressing the concern many who work with immigration-related issues feel ever since the coronavirus began to spread in the United States. The National Association of Immigration Judges tweeted their discontent over what they say is a lack of action on behalf of the federal government. Immigration judge at New York Varick Court has pneumonia, tested for COVID. Courts remain open. And the Justice Department announced the closure of 10 immigration courts in addition to the already closed court in Washington state through April 10th. It's also postponing all hearings of cases of immigrants who are not in detention. But despite federal guidelines to decrease the number of people at gatherings, some immigration courts have stayed open, several of them right here in Arizona.
The court hearings that are going forward are the detained court hearings in Florence, Eloy, and La Palma. Those detention centers, obviously, you want to keep access open to the courts so people can get out on bond, so they can win their case and get out of detention, and they can have their liberty during this crisis. But for the time being, the out-of-custody court hearings have been canceled.
Cronkite News reached out to the Department of Justice's Executive Office of Immigration Review. In an emailed statement, they say they have been, quote, carefully reviewing the information available from federal officials and continue to evaluate the dynamic situation nationwide and will make decisions for each location as more information becomes available. And while the situation is changing day by day, many are hoping with the rapid spread of COVID-19 that all immigration courts will close and close fast.
If you had told me yesterday, I would have been raging for half an hour about how ludicrous it was that the out-of-custody hearings weren't continued yet. So now that's a big step in the right direction.